tourists and giving them that crap about the sword. The king likes to keep these old traditions going.
So there isn't really a sword then?
There's a sword, all right. It's stuck in a rock on that island.
So, if I pull it out, I get to be king?
I suppose so. Sort of.
What do you mean, sort of?
You would be king, just not for very long. It's a sort of protective law, you see. Vandalism of national heritage is punishable by having hot skewies shoved up.
Stop! We're trying to sell them the hours of fun for all the family routine.
Anyway, it's a sort of insurance law to stop any old Tom, Dick or Arthur trying it on. I'm just here to keep the tourists happy.
I'd really like to have a go. Where do I sign up?
You can't just jump into Lady of the Laking just like that. You need the proper training. And besides, you're not a woman.
A minor biological detail?
Anyway, you need the royal seal before we can take you on. The king likes to view all new employees personally.
I'd better go and see him then. I think this will be the best spot to fish from. I've caught one!